mamaya, di ba, mamalingki tayo mamaya. Ang lulutuin natin yung lutong Pinoy.
Ano ba ang masarap na lutong Pinoy?
Nilaga, sinigang.
Sinigang.
Lumpia.
Lumpia. Ano pa?
Ang problema natin ngayon kung ano ang English ng lumpia.
Ano yung English ng lumpia? English ng lumpia, longs.
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 Sabi mo, longs.
Longs.
Tapos yung sinigang, sinigs.
Hindi natin lutuin.
Kaya seafoods yung lulutuin natin.
Seafood.
Yung adobo.
Seafood.
Seafood adobo.
Bakit seafood? Bakit seafood yung adobo, yung baboy?
Kasi dun siya kinatay sa dagat eh. Seafoods pa rin yun. We will go.
na kami.
We will go to Paris. Today's.
Matapos magplano, pumunta na sa Palenques. ASD sa palengke si Namiho and family kasama ang crazy duo.
Ngayon lang po kasi ako ulit nakapunta ng palengke. Kaya sobrang na-enjoy ko naman po.
Gumagalaw pa? Ay, di ba kayo pagaw? 2 kilo.
Ano, ganyan. Ano next natin?
Baboy! Next baboy.
Anong tawag siya sa English?
Massacre pig. Massacre pig. Tapos na, wala nang bibili.
Balik tayo sa bahay ng kuya.
Yes.
Hello, Tomia! Bukas first time natin magla-lunch kasama yung pamilya mo, kasama yung pamilya ko. Kaya sana ma-enjoy natin. At gano'n naman sa puso yun. Sana ma-enjoy naman natin.
Magustuhan kaya ng pamilya ni Tommy ang ihahanda nila Miho? Handa na rin kaya si Tommy para sa family lunch date? At ano kaya magaganap kapag nagkita-kita na ang pamilya ni Tomiho? Abangan yan maya-maya lamang sa It's Showtime!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ang bilis.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati.
Sakit sa ulo.
Maligayang bati. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Saglit siya. Oh, sakit sa ulo. Tapos parang hindi nag-iiba yung mukha niya.
Parang ayaw niya gusto, ayaw niya sumayaw. Hindi niya gusto sumayaw.
Tagalog para maintindihan mo.
Di ka naiintindihan yun.
Parang yes.
Uy, ma'am, huwag mo kalimutan yung tinuro natin na mga tinuro namin sa'yo, ha?
It's very Bong Navarro, you know. Very yeah. How about this one? You know, like, it's
I don't know.
Kuya Germs, Kuya Germs.
Yeah.
Hey. What are you doing? We're getting ready, you know. We're late for lunch.
Bro, what's happening?
Let me handle this. You don't have to see Tommy because we're getting ready, you know. I'm the styling artist of him. So please, get out. We're getting ready. I'm with our family, you know. So get out.
We good?
Where are we?
What's happening here?
What do you like?
I don't know. I like this one. It's
Yeah.
nice. Ganda.
Shh! Labas mo na! Hindi pwede makita to eh. Surprise ka eh. Oh, Tommy.
Yeah, what's up, bro?
Do you pick any?
I don't know. It's hard.
Yeah?
I don't know.
You don't know? How about this one? This one.
This is nice, no?
That's nice.
It's like this. Oh, and there's pants.
Yeah? With pants? Yeah.
What do you think?
With underwear also there.
What do you think? It's nice.